Well, speaking of the holidays, if you plan to launch your own fireworks to celebrate the 4th of July tonight, a warning this afternoon. Doctors say consider grabbing a pair of goggles to protect your eyes. CBS's Jared Hill has the story of how one woman's life was changed forever after lighting fireworks at a home a few years ago.
Lisa Dickerson sees the world much differently this 4th of July after a fireworks mishap about 5 years ago.
It can go bad really quick.
The mom was shooting bottle rockets with her family, but one malfunctioned, causing the others to tip over.
I actually thought it was done, and there was still one left on the ground, and it was on its side. So when I went to turn around, the last one came and hit me right in the face, right in the eye.
Despite multiple surgeries, Lisa lost vision in her right eye.
I can't see anything over here.
She developed a significant scarring on the surface of her eye to the point that she can't see through the eye anymore and is severely disfigured.
Dr. Aaron Shriver is one of the ophthalmologists who treated Lisa. A 2022 study by the University of Iowa Healthcare found there was a 4-fold increase in firework-related eye injuries in the years after they were legalized in Iowa in 2017.
After that first 4th of July, we actually had to call in residents who were on vacation. And we had a all hands on deck. Anyone who's in town, if you're on vacation or you're just in town, can you please come in because we need help in the emergency room.
Her tips to protect your eyes: keep a bucket of water and a fire extinguisher around. Also, be careful when investigating fireworks that don't go off. Wait at least 20 minutes, then soak the faulty firework in water for at least another 20 minutes before throwing it away. Finally, consider wearing protective goggles.
Even if you are careful, you can it's still a risk. It's a firework.
Lisa's more cautious since her incident and hopes others see her story and stay safe. Jared Hill, CBS News.